Longchen Nyingtik Meditation. Introduction. Please read the Campus instruction first. Based on the guided meditative instructions of Longchen Nyingtik's Finding Comfort and Ease in the Nature of Mind, a heart essence of practical instructions of Longchen Nyingtik, through which diligent practitioners can achieve enlightenment after just 6 months of practice. These meditation teachings cover the fundamental yet essential preliminary practices necessary for one to be fully prepared to enter into the ultimate realization of great perfection. Dzogchen. Things to know before the meditation practice. In all current study of the preliminaries of great perfection, the words of my perfect teacher, everyone is also required to participate in the actual practice of meditation. Mainly, what we will meditate on is based upon Longchen Nyingtik's preliminary practice instructions of finding comfort and ease in the nature of mind. Each day, I will explain one guide in simple language, and we will meditate together on its meaning for 5 minutes in class, which is to be backed up by your own formal sitting meditation. Traditionally, each of the guides is meditated upon for 3 days, and if time and circumstances allow, preferably for 4 sessions each day. If that's impossible, make sure you maintain at least 2 sessions each day and be persistent. Otherwise, your understanding of the preliminaries of the great perfection will remain theoretical only, and you can hardly claim you have learned this treatise if you skip the process of reflection. Every time we practice the Dharma, we first arouse confident faith in our spiritual teacher and the 3 Jews. On the basis of this faith, we begin by reciting refuge prayer. You can follow us here, the refuge prayer in Minfeng Rinpoche's liturgy for the preliminary practice, illuminating the path to liberation. All refuge prayers from Vajra words of other lineage masters. Refuge prayer. Residing in the sky, filling the whole of vastness, are the Lama, Idan deities, and Dakinis, Buddha, Dharma, and the Sangha of sublime beings. Devotedly, sentient beings of the 6 realms, and I take refuge in you. Aspiration prayer. The infinity of sentient beings and I have been Buddhas from the very beginning. Having realized such fundamental nature, I generate supreme bodhicitta. Dedication prayer. Through this goodness, may omniscient Buddhahood be attained, and thereby may every enemy, mental defilement be overcome. May beings be liberated from the ocean of samsara that is troubled by waves of birth, old age, sickness, and death.